Hello student, long time no see. Okay, welcome to mathematics lessons. This is my channel, Wista Wartana, and my name is Mr. Agus. This is mathematics learning video. The purpose of the lesson is making you understand about the meaning of fraction. Before I continue the lesson, please support me by subscribe this channel. It will help me to make more learning video. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Okay, let's continue to the topic. The topic is about fraction for grade 3. I think this is something new for you in math, but not in mathematica. I know all of you already learned about fraction in mathematica. And the differentiation between fraction in math and fraction in mathematics just in the language. But if you're still confused about fraction, then pay attention to me in this video. Listen carefully, and if you have question, you can write your question in the comment. Okay, start with a question. What is fraction? Fraction is how many equal parts of a whole. Yeah. Fraction is very familiar for you. In your daily life, there are so much example of fraction. For example, we have a pizza and we want to cut the pizza into some slice. For example, this one. If we want to cut the pizza into two equal parts, like this one, okay, like this one, we can say the one pizza that cut into two equal parts, we can say 1/2 or 1/2, yeah. And then if you want to cut the pizza into 4 equal parts, it will be like this in the second figure. We can say 1/4 or 1/4. And then if you want to cut the pizza into 8 equal parts, it will be like this. In the third figure. But in the third figure, we have 3 slices of pizza here. So the fraction is 3/8, or you can say 3/8. And then the top number says how many slices we have. In the first figure, we have one slice. In the second figure, we have one slice also. But in the third figure, we have three slices. And then the bottom number says how many equal slices the whole pizza was cut into. In the first figure, we have the bottom number is 2. In the second figure, we have the bottom number is 4. It means the second figure is one pizza cut into 4 equal parts. And in the first figure, one pizza cut into 2 equal parts. And in the third figure, we have one pizza cut into 8 equal parts. That's why the bottom number is 8. Let's continue by how to rate the fraction given. For example, 1 per 2, not only you can say 1 half, but you can say 1 second, 1 per 2. And then 1 per 4 can we call as 1 quarter, or 1 fourth, or 1 per 4. The other example, 3 per 5, can we call as 3 fifths or 3 per 5. Depend on you. Which one is easier for you? You can use one of them. Important note. The top number we call as numerator, and the bottom number we call as denominator. This is very important. You have to know which one we call numerator and which one we call denominator. The definition of fraction. Okay, we have one pizza divided into 8 equal parts, and we have 3 parts of them. So the fraction based on the figure given is 3 per 8. We can call 3/8 or 3 per 8. In this case, the numerator is 3 because we have 3 parts of them. And the denominator is 8 because one pizza divided into 8 equal parts. The meaning of 3 per 8 is 3 parts from the 1 unit that divided into 8 equal parts. I will repeat it again. 3 parts from the 1 unit that divided into 8 equal parts. Let's try the second example. In the second figure, we have 5 parts of the sliced pizza. So, in the fraction, it will be 5 per 8. We can call 5/8 or 5 per 8. The meaning of 5 per 8 is 5 parts from the 1 unit that divided into 8 equal parts. In this case, the numerator is 5 because we have 5 parts of them. And the denominator is 8 because one pizza cut into 8 equal parts. If you still not understand, I will give one example more. The third figure, we have one pizza divided into 8 equal parts. And then we have 6 parts of them. It means the numerator is 6 and the denominator is 8. We have 6 per 8 now. 6 per 8 we can call 6 eighths or 6 per 8. The meaning of 6 per 8 is 6 parts from the 1 unit that divided into 8 equal parts. I think that is clear. I hope you already understand with my explanation. Let's continue. Equivalent fraction. Some fractions may look different, but they are really the same because the value of them are same. For example, look at the figure. We have 3 figures here. The first figure, we have 4 parts from 1 unit pizza that divided into 8 equal parts. The second figure, we have 2 parts from the 1 unit pizza that divided into 4 equal parts. The third figure, we have 1 part from the 1 unit pizza that divided into 2 equal parts. The first figure is 4 per 8. The second figure is 2 per 4. And the third figure is 1 per 2. 4 per 8, 2 per 4, and 1 per 2 may look different, but they are really the same because the value of them are same. Look at the figure. In the third figure, we have 1 part. This is a half of whole pizza. The second figure, we have 2 parts. 2 parts of this one equal to a half of whole pizza. And the first figure, we have 4 parts. And these 4 parts is a half of whole pizza. So 4 per 8, 2 per 4, 1 per 2 are same. That's we call equivalent fraction. 1 per 2 is equivalent with 2 per 4 and 4 per 8. Maybe you can find the other fraction that equivalent with 1 per 2 by yourself. you can try by yourself. It is usually best to show an answer using the simplest fraction. In this case is 1/2. That is called simplifying or reducing the fraction. Sometimes you will get the question to change the fraction given into lowest term. The meaning is same with simplifying. Another example. Look at the next figure. Here, in the first figure, we have one part from one unit that divided into three equal parts. The second figure, we have two parts from one unit that divided into six equal parts. And the third figure, we have four equal parts from the one unit that divided into 12 equal parts. If you look at the figure 1/3 is same with 2/6 is and 4/12. It means 1/3 equivalent with 2/6 and 4/12. But the lowest term of the fraction of 4/12 and 2/6 is 1/3. Do you understand? Okay, let's continue. Like and unlike fraction. So, I would like to explain you the type of fraction. Actually, we have 6 type of fraction, but I will explain it to you in grade 4. For you in grade 3, I just explain you 2 type of fraction. The first one we call like fraction, and the second one we call unlike fraction. Like fraction is two fraction or more that has same denominator. Unlike fraction is two fraction or more that has different denominators. Why like fraction has same denominators? Because the fraction that has same denominators is easy to count, and the fraction that has different denominator is difficult to count. This is the example of like fraction. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This fraction has same denominator and the denominator is 4. That's why 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 we call like fraction. And then unlike fraction is the opposite of like fraction. For example, we have 1/2, 2/3, and 3/4. This fraction has different denominator. The first fraction has 2 as denominator. The second fraction has 3 as denominators. And the third fraction has 4 as denominators. So their denominator are different. That's we call unlike fraction. I think it is easy and you will easy to understand also. Let's continue. adding fraction. We will come into how to answer the operation of fraction. The first one is about adding fraction. In grade 3, I will explain you how to adding fraction with same denominator. Look at the figure and the example. 1 per 4 plus 1 per 4 equal to 2 per 4. 2 per 4 is equivalent with 1 per 2, or the lowest term of 2 per 4 is 1 per 2. So the answer is 1 per 2. The way to get to 1 per 2 is easy. You just adding the numerator only. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. How about the denominator? Just rewrite your denominator. So the denominator is still 4. That's why we have 2 per 4. We know the lowest term of 2 per 4 is 1 per 2. That's why the answer is 1 per 2. Do you understand? To make it clear, I will give you one example again. Look at the second example. In the second example, we have 5 per 8 plus 1 per 8 equal to 6 per 8. Same like the first example, you have to adding their numerator only. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. How about the denominator? Just rewrite the denominator. So the answer is 6 per 8. We know we can change 6 per 8 into its lowest term. And the lowest term of 6 per 8 is 3 per 4. So the answer is 3 per 4. Do you understand? Good. Let's continue. The way to get the answer is similar like addition fraction. Let's try answer an example. The first example, we have this figure. What is the fraction in the first figure? Yes, that's right. 4 per 5. How about the second figure or the second circle? Yes, the second circle is 1 per 5. So the question is 4 per 5 minus 1 per 5 equal to 3 per 5. Similar like addition problem. We have 4 as the denominator in the first fraction. And we have 1 as numerator in the second fraction. And we have same denominator. So 4 per 5 minus 1 per 5 equal to 3 per 5. The way to get the answer is subtracting the numerator of them. 4 plus minus 1 equal to 3. How about the denominator? Yes, similar like addition problem, just rewrite the denominator. That's why we have 3 per 5 as the answer. Let's try the second example. In the second example, we have 3 per 4 minus 2 per 4. Similar like before, we have to subtract the numerator only. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And then the denominator is still 4. So that the answer is 1 per 4. I think that's easy for you because you are smart student. Okay, we already arrived in the end of the explanation. So we will make summary based on what is the topic that we learned in this video. We already learned about fraction is how many equal parts of a word. The top number is called numerator. The bottom number is called denominator. Some fraction that we call equivalent if the value of fraction are same. The lowest term of a fraction we call simplify or radius of fraction. Like fraction are fractions that has same denominator. And unlike fraction is the opposite of like fraction, which is has different denominator. Adding fraction with same denominator, you should adding their numerator only. And similar like subtracting fraction with same denominator, you should subtracting their numerator only. Okay, that is the summary of this topic. I think all of you already understand about my explanation. If you have question, you can write your question in the comment. In the last, I would like to say thank you for you. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day and see you again in the next video. Bye.